What time is it? Besides, that sniffing clock is absolutely amazing. Such a great renovation of a time-telling machine. Anyways, what have we been doing? Alright, waiting for that murderer. What's taking him so long to do it? Yes, and we, okay, what's that telephone doing? Listen, I'll just wait for it to finish ringing and then I can continue talking. One more ring. One more. I was being sarcastic. Okay, anyways, I'm going to start talking about our next plan. So, once she gets back, we're going to... You know, that depends if she ends up getting back, which, of course, is impossible. Sitherm, why does that telephone keep ringing? Why, it's the telephone that never shuts up, sir. The telephone that never shuts up? Whatever do you mean? Don't you remember? We pre-ordered one 3 months ago. I know what we ordered it 3 months ago, but... I'll just make it stop. Hello? Hello? Yes? Of course! Schnotzella. Sorry about the telephone. Okay, bye-bye. Ta-ta. Hello there. What took you so long? And why aren't you lugging around large intestines? Because that lovely young lady showed me a dog and I went all giddy. Okay, that there is extremely uncalled for. What is that? Scumbag. Oh, okay, what brings you here at this momentous occasion? What was that? Shh, muckface. You gave my friend Kimmy prior pulses. How do you know the butter snot?